Hello guys, welcome back to Balanced Living. It's a pleasure having you here. And then if you're new, welcome. Please, sweetheart, sweet boogie. Okay, click on the subscribe button and then the notification bell right beside it so you are notified whenever I post a video. In this exact video today, we'll be talking about whipped shea butter. Do it yourself, baby, in your house. Whipped shea butter for high porosity, for dry weather, for extremely cold weather. It kind of helps to really keep that moisture right in the head cuticles. So let me show you what we'll be needing for the whipped shea butter. Let me show you how we're gonna whip the shea butter, like the whip the shea butter. We'll be needing shea butter. I got this from a local market in Nigeria, Kaduna State, somewhere in the northern part of Nigeria. It's very dry and cold out here right now, so I've got to do this for my hair. This coconut oil, cold pressed. I prefer the cold pressed. The difference is the cold pressed is kind of transparent, but then the one that they use heat to process has a tinge of brown, like an actual oil. Like this is kernel oil, like palm kernel oil. I got all this from a local market somewhere in Kaduna. And then you get an empty container to put in your I'm using Jamaican black castor oil, extra virgin olive oil, and my raw honey. To get the whipped shea butter, you'll be needing a cake mixer, yeah? But in the case where you don't have a cake mixer, don't worry. The thing is this, I have not tried it out with honey. What you do is you melt your shea butter, and then in its liquid state, you pour in your other oils, mix everything up, keep it in the fridge. It kind of solidifies it, like makes it a cream proper. And then you have all your good oils in it while you're doing that.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly, la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, la 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel, la 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 la. Throw the ancient Yuletide carol, la 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 la.
So I'm mixing on just the very first one. I'm not having to go so like the really high one, yeah? That's just fine. And then for the record, sweethearts, you can whip just your shea butter alone until it becomes I'll use the word fluffy, and you can use it like that for your hair. You can mix shea butter and just coconut oil, and then you can mix shea butter and a host of oils. It's your deal.
Year passes, fa la 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 la. Hail the new year, lads and lasses, fa la 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 la. Sing we joyous all together, fa la 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 la.
Honey works as a preservative, and kind of brings moisture from the environment right into your hair. So with this in your hair, moisture is sure.
Fast away the old year passes, fa la 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 la. Hail the new year, lads and lasses, fa la 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 la. Sing we joyous all together, fa la 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 la. Heedless of the wind and weather, fa la 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 la.
So you whip it for about 25 to 30 minutes. Keep whipping till it looks like this, yeah? So this is how it's supposed to look, like a cream, like your deep conditioner, like your body cream, that kind of. And then you can put lesser quantity of oils, and then you pack it up